Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will discuss about water pollution and one particular case study of water pollution on Ganga river. Okay, so let me first tell you what is water pollutants and how we are polluting the water in our day-to-day life. Okay, so how water is get polluted, students? So whenever harmful substances, so let me write this, whenever harmful substances such as sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc. get mixed with water, the water becomes polluted. Okay, the substances that pollute water are called as water pollutants. Okay, students. So, like the sewage, the toxic chemicals released from industries, okay, and the silt. When these materials or these substances get mixed with water, the water becomes polluted. Okay, and the substances that pollute the water is called as water pollutants. Okay, students. So I hope now you can write what is water pollution. Let's say when industries waste or when some washing materials like in near the ghats or you say edges of river, when people bath, wash their clothes. Second, when industrial waste directly put into river water, okay, and when other like sewage pipes, okay. So these are the causes or main reasons for water pollution, students. Okay, now we will discuss about a case study of Ganga river. Ganga is a very famous river of India. Okay, so let me first erase all this. So students, now we will discuss about a case study on Ganga river. So Ganga river is a holy river and a very famous river of India. It sustains most of northern, central and eastern Indian population. Okay, so basically northern, central and eastern population of India are dependent on Ganga for the water resources. Okay, so basically daily needs like for livelihood comes from Ganga river. Okay, and in a recent study, done by WWF, which is Water Wide fund for nature. Okay, found that Ganga is one of the 10 most endangered rivers. Endangered rivers. Endangered means they are very limited or about to end. So we should save our holy river called Ganga river. Okay. So a national plan was made by Government of India to save the river was called as Ganga Action Plan. It was executed by Government of India and started in 1985. Okay. Main target of this plan, the main target was to reduce the pollution levels. To reduce the pollution levels. Okay. How we can reduce the pollution level of the Ganga river? By decreasing the amount of the pollutants we are adding to the Ganga river. Okay. So the main pollutants which I discussed are the same, like first is industrial waste. Okay, second is sewage. Third is like washing of clothes and people bathing near the ghats. Near ghats of river. Okay, so these are the main reasons or the main pollutants of the river, and if we can remove or can reduce these pollutants, okay, by reducing these pollutants we can save our Ganga river, because when these pollutants get added into the river water, the aquatic lives or the aquatic species get died, okay, because of the less oxygen level in the river water. Okay, because after adding the pollutants, the oxygen level in the water get reduced. So if we can remove or reduce the pollutants, we can save our Ganga river. So students, the government of India took this action plan in 1985 and still they are working on it. Okay, and a lot of budget was assigned to reduce the pollutants in Ganga river, and there are about 5,000 industries in Kanpur, which is a very dense populated area in Uttar Pradesh in India. Okay, in which is the main reason for Ganga to be polluted. Okay, so the government is working on that also. Okay, so this is the main case study about Ganga river. And so what are the solutions? So the industrial waste should be treated first, should be filtered or treated first. Okay, no sewage to be put in Ganga river. Washing of clothes should be avoided. So these are all the measures which we can take to reduce the pollutants in Ganga river. So I hope students you are pretty clear about what is the case study and how we can reduce the pollutants in Ganga river. And if you have still any question or any doubt based on this, then please do comment in the comment section, students. I will be happy to help you guys there. Okay students, happy learning. Thank you.